Okay, in this video, we will see how to customize the cell style. Specifically, let's say I want the header to be in purple, I want the font to be in white and bold. But each time I will select this specific style, I will apply this on the header. So it will be easier than copy the format and paste it. So let's go. So for this one, I will just get rid of the formatting and I show you. So let's say I want to create for this cell style. I'll go directly here in new cell style. I would say my header. Let's say each time I want to have a header, I would like to not only have the content in field with purple, but let's say with a specific font. We see here the font by default is Aptos Narrow and the size is 11. Let's say the size I want is 12 and the font is Arial. So let's go. So I will go directly in format. So I want to fill with purple, the font, the white color, bold, and the font, still the font, I want that to be with Arial. So we'll have the preposition Arial and 12. I said before. So now I just say OK. I've got a review, a summarize of all I've selected here, and I say OK. So now if I want to apply this on this header, let's say I have this header, another one, I can select cell style, my header, and boom, I can find it here. I can select again. Boom. So it's very easy. It's here in cell style, and you can modify if you want it. You can modify it and go back in formatting. Thanks for watching.